You should be hiring your attorney when you first start looking for a property or first start listing a property. I don't know why, but most of the time I get hired when a person already has an accepted offer. That's the worst time to hire an attorney, because by then everything is just about ready to go. You're just about ready to get into contract, and all of a sudden a problem pops up that your attorney could have spotted weeks back when you first started looking at that property or when you first started negotiating for that property, and all of a sudden now it's a problem. It delays your deal. Understand that contract's not fully executed until both the buyer and seller sign the contract, not the deal sheet you get from the real estate agent, but the contract. So if you're last minute negotiating something because your attorney finds something that they could have and should have found earlier when you first should have hired them at the beginning of the process, well, you could lose that house or you could lose that buyer, because in any market, until the buyer signs and the seller signs, you don't have a deal. And even if you've done an inspection, if you're ready to go, if everything is ready to go, but you don't have a fully signed contract, you could lose that deal because a problem arises that causes a delay. So you hire your attorney when you first start looking at a property or when you first start listing a property. They're part of the team. Do not wait until you have a deal sheet or until you're in a hard negotiation to buy that property. Make sure, again, an ounce of prevention is worth a pound of cure. Hire your attorney at the beginning and make them part of your team through the whole process.